This is going to be a video tutorial on how to change the mouse cursor size in Pop! OS. Let me jump over to my desktop here. I am on my desktop now. To change your mouse cursor size, the first thing you want to do is open up Settings. I'm going to go up to the upper right hand corner, up to the System Tray area. I'm going to click there. I'm going to go down to where it says Settings. I'm going to click on Settings. Now in the dialog box that opens up here, the pane off to the left hand side, you want to go down to where you see Accessibility. And you want to click on Accessibility. Now in the center pane, right over here is Cursor Size. You want to click on it, and then you can choose any one of these here. You can make it really small. You can make it really big. I like to go with about the second one here. That is how to change your mouse cursor size in Pop! OS. Thanks for watching.